So the first two sections of the assignment had to do with the internal input and output devices on your microbit. So we did the light sensor, and then we did the compass and the accelerometer. Now there's ways to connect, they call them external input-output devices. Okay, so an example of like on a regular computer of a output or an input device that's external would be like the keyboard. The keyboard is not a part of the regular computer. It's something that you hook up to the computer using wires. And so that's what this next part's going to be. But to be able to connect things to your microbit, you need to use these alligator clips. So that's what you should be reading through all of this, and it shows you how to connect alligator clips. I'm going to show you one here too. Here's the microbit, and this is an alligator clip right here. So it's just two sides. Each side has a little clip on it, and you can, so take the, actually it would be good to make this, so take the alligator clip, and these are called ports or input-output connectors. You take your alligator clip and you can connect it to one of them. So this one says 0 on it right here. You connect it to 0. Now when you're building your code, instead of like using the A button pressed to trigger something, you're using the port 0. And then you hook this other side of the alligator clip up to a different sensor. I don't have a sensor out right now, but I do have one of the little, this is a little speaker. It can make noises. And so you'd hook this up to that side of that. So now we're starting to build something. We have the microbit, hooked up with a cord to, this is actually an output device, but you're going to be using input devices. I just don't have one ready. So that's how you hook stuff up. And then you want to make sure to never let this go from here and plug back into it, because it's like if you've ever changed a car battery, it overloads and sparks. Like it's not actually going to spark on this, but it will fry the microbit and then it'll break. So make sure you don't, be careful with how you're doing the connections.